So I'm Shaurya Sarkar. I live in Noida and I work for a software company based out of Noida only. So what happened was I actually did my MBA and then I came to this place. But the thing is, the environment, the water and everything didn't suit me well. So I started losing hair abruptly. I had a case history of losing a bit hair in the past, but it was not so much serious. So it was not something which required a lot of attention to go to the dermatologist and get something. So normal home remedies would work for me. But suddenly after coming to this place in NCR, I started losing hair like anything because maybe the water was not suiting me and all. The progression was so fast, I was very much sure that now I need to visit doctors and I need to consult what kind of therapy would be. Well, I was initially very apprehensive about transplants and all. I was a bit scared about all these things because the cosmetic surgeries are a dangerous thing to undertake. There's a lot into stake. If something goes wrong in cosmetic surgeries, it is going to stay with you forever. So it's very damaging and most of the times it's irreversible. So I did a lot of research. So normally you can see that a lot of these clinics, I should not name them, but there are clinics which showcases a lot of advertisements and all in the paper and newspaper. I called them up, I paid few visits over there, but I was not convinced. Something related to a homeopathy clinic, how can they conduct procedures like hair transplants with injectables? I was a bit skeptical about those clinics, and the approach, the way they were explaining me how we will do the things and why would you require how many number of grafts. So they were also not speaking very confidently about the things that they are going to do with me. So I gave it a rest. So I was not very confident. Then I started searching the internet. I have a knack of doing some research in whatsoever field. It's not only related to medicine or something like that, but whatever is something bad is happening to me, I should do a deep research to understand what is my problem, where my problem lies. So browsing through the internet one fine day, I found out about new hair sciences, which is now eugenics. So there was a clinic in Southex Part 2 near AIIMS. So I paid a visit because I saw some qualified doctors who were running this clinic or who were behind this clinic, who started this clinic. So I paid a visit. The first day experience was very wonderful. The way it was explained to me, they were a lot more confident than the other clinics who used to post a lot of big advertisements in newspapers and other websites. Before eugenics, I never came across any such specialized dermatologic clinic where they have patented procedures like DHT, which I think Dr. Pradeep and his associates employ, direct hair transplant. It's a patented technique if you visit, and things were explained to me in a very confident way, but still I was very much skeptical because I didn't gain the 100% confidence about that when I visited it first near around 2014 December, I guess. So but things didn't stop for me. The hair loss was continuing at a very amazing rate. Suddenly in February I just realized that I think there is no other alternative other than going transplant. So when I again visited around March or April, not March or April, when I again visited in July, I visited in July next year after December, where the number of grafts which were suggested to me initially in December, that just doubled. Imagine the rate at which I was losing it. So they already told me that you should undergo as soon as possible within Jan and Feb. But again I delayed and I visited in July. I was totally sticking to the plan that yes, now I have to go and I should take this seriously. And then I was pretty sure if I am undergoing this procedure, I'll undergo through eugenics only, because Dr. Pradeep from the first day, he provided me with a lot of confidence and a very homely and a homely atmosphere. It's amazing. The treatment is amazing from all the staff, the crew, the doctors, everyone. So finally I underwent transplant in August 2015, and As promised, I would say they are very genuine in their whatever results they are predicting. It was near exact. If they say you that with an implant of around 3000, close to 3000 grafts, you can expect showing good results or actual effects of the transplant from the completion of 7 months. So it happened exactly like that. After a period of 8.5 months, I started growing a lot of hair, and after the transplant, because yes, I underwent near 3000 grafts. I am not sure about what grade of baldness was that. I don't remember. Results were amazing. Results were amazing as promised. This is now what I look like. So I feel confident after that, and I trust this clinic. I feel like I stay in touch with Dr. Pradeep and his team as long as possible.